local football fans still licking their wounds after the Reggae Boyz lost to Canada at the National Stadium for the first time in 35 years. And who should we blame? Coach Hallgrimson and his team selection and tactics. Local Reggae Boyz fans who never turned up to support the team. Or was it forward Leon Bailey who missed 3 first half sitters? Well, it don't make no sense. We show the coach or the empty stands. But take a look at these chances that fell to the Aston Villa star. All in the first half, all were in and around the 6-yard box, and Bailey did not even hit the target once. On none of these occasions was the Canadian goalkeeper required to make a save. These are simple kindergarten chances, or more like kindergarten sitters, all missed by Bailey before the Canadians even got a sniff of the Jamaican goal. If Leon Bailey even took 2 out of the 3 sitters, Jamaica would not lose that game. I mean, nothing is guaranteed, but Jamaica 3-0 up or even 2-0 up at halftime is a different game. So you decide who should get the blame.